we're gonna add some salt. Pepper. And 21 seasoning salute from Trader Joe's. A lot, because it's really good. It's really good seasoning, guys. Corned beef hash, guys. All right, my first time making corned beef hash. It looks amazing. All right, guys, we have corned beef hash. I never made this before. I think I may have had it once at a restaurant. And I had a little bit of piece of a bite. It's really good, so I can't wait to try it out for you guys. And we have some coffee and some buttered sourdough toast. Let's get this video started. All right, let's have some coffee. That's good. All right, guys, I apologize for the sound, the audio. My microphone broke, so I have to get a new one on Amazon, but sorry about that. Good toast. I don't like my eggs runny, so sorry if you guys do. I used to, but I don't know why I don't anymore. So let's try this. Corned beef and hash. Try it out. That's real good. That's really good. With the nice potatoes, onions, bell peppers, adds a really good twist to it. Eggs are really good. I might add some ketchup later, but I want to try it without the ketchup first. Yeah, that's really good. A little bit of ketchup. Yeah, eggs are perfectly cooked too. And the corned beef isn't really that salty. Really good. Oh my god. Yeah, this is better than I thought. I didn't think it would taste as good, to be honest. And the corned beef, I froze it because I don't want to get too bad. So it's a Monday after St. Patrick's Day. So it's been sitting here for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, about 6 days. So I wanted to freeze it. And I was, I'm very particular about freezing meats and, how they taste afterwards after you unfreeze it. It's really not that bad, actually. It tastes really good. I'm actually quite surprised. I will definitely make this again. All right, today's actually Monday evening. I'm having breakfast because I didn't have time to make this in the morning, but 9:30 p.m. How's your Monday, guys? So today after work, I was thinking about transferring to a different Walmart. I thought this Walmart was a super Walmart, but I'm not really sure because it has a lot of grocery tell you the city, in case you guys live in the Bay Area, is San Ramon. The city of San Ramon. I wanted to try out a different Walmart, check it out. That would also be cool to work at a super Walmart. I thought this was a super Walmart because it was grocery. It had a lot of grocery. Like my Walmart just has very, very little grocery. Lots of stuff. But it is missing a lot of stuff. I was telling a coworker, she's like, oh, what about clothes? I'm like, you know what? I didn't see clothes in their extra store, actually. And I don't think there was a camera department. There wasn't a money center. I didn't see a return center. So a lot of stuff is missing. So I think it's a little smaller than my store right now. My store right now, where I work, is super, super busy. So this is called a neighborhood Walmart. I'm not really sure what the difference is, but I don't think I saw cigarettes here. I don't think I did. So, but they did have liquor. Like, I know they had wine. I don't know if they had hard liquor though. So yeah, I was thinking about transferring, just try something different, something new, you know. And I only saw one cashier, guys. One cashier. I think they do need cashiers because when I wanted to transfer, the girl was like, what department? I'm at cashier. And she's like, perfect. So I think they do need cashiers. But I only saw one cashier that had a lot of quick checkout lanes where you just check out yourself. But the store didn't seem to be very busy. And they only had 4 registers. So I was wondering if I did transfer what I did a lot of hours that I don't know. So what kind of Walmart do you guys have in your area? And do you have a super Walmart? Do you have a Walmart that's called neighborhood Walmart? Do you have a Walmart where it's just very little grocery, just like a lot of mostly frozen items, which that's the Walmart I work at right now. I'm really curious what kind of Walmart you guys, and what is a neighborhood Walmart? So I bought a few items today. One item I found that I've really been looking for a long time, and I was unable to find it. I went to several Walmarts. Was this drink, guys, called Dr. Pepper and cream soda. Guys, I've been looking for this drink for so long. I just think it's a really cool mixer. And I'm going to try it on a different video. Not this video, this is a breakfast video, but maybe like a hamburger video or something. I think it'd be really cool. I can't wait to try that for you guys and see what it... Oh, I know where I should try that on when I do my Dr. Pepper chili dogs. Oh yeah, I should try it. I'll do that on that video. Because I'm planning to do like a chili dog live video one of these days. Hopefully soon. If I get my act together. Actually, this Walmart got a lot of grocery available. I was able to find hot dogs. Some of my, even though it's been a few weeks after like all this craziness at the stores, I was still able to find, some stores don't have hot dogs still, but I was at this Walmart, I was able to find hot dogs. A lot of stores right now don't have eggs. But it's cool to work at Walmart because I know when people stock, when they were stocking the eggs, I knew they were, and so I grabbed some. But now they're all gone. And shout out to my assistant managers at Walmart because they're hella cool, guys. They don't like people hoarding things. Like, for example, last week, we have no limit of water, right? There's no limit. I asked a few cashiers, limit of water, no. The guy in the back told this customer, did they ask, there's a limit of water? They said no. So what did they do? They got 18 of like 24 cases of water. 18. Are you kidding me, guys? So this guy, the assistant manager came over and said, you can't get 18 waters, even though it's unlimited. You're hoarding. That's just very rude to everybody else. You can't do that. I can give you 6 for your family, but not 18. So I had to return, I guess 12 or something. So yeah. And a few weeks ago, this young couple, about under 20, 25, they bought like 36 cans of soup. And the assistant manager was watching them, a different one. She's like, "Why do you need all this soup? Save some for the elderly people, you know." She goes, what you're doing is wrong, you know." But they were like, "Oh, but we heard in the news, this is the last weekend to shop for food because, we have to be in quarantine for 2 weeks and all the stores are closing." They're like, "Walmart's closing." And she's like, "No, Walmart, we are not closing." That's what she said. And then she was like, "Can we return it if we don't need it?" She's like, "No, absolutely not. You cannot return it." So shout out to my assistant managers at Walmart. So when they asked me, what's it like working as a cashier at a grocery store during these times? Not easy, guys, not easy. A little fear of getting the virus because, I'm interacting with a lot of people, touching the money, just a lot of interaction going on. I would love to be home and be in quarantine, but apparently I have 2 jobs. So I did a vlog today, and someone asked me, am I laid off from my jobs? Nope, not laid off. Not yet, guys, not yet. But I won't be surprised if they cut my hours. There's been a rumor going on that my Walmart's closing, but I don't know if it is or not. I think it's just a rumor. Honestly, wouldn't mind if one of my jobs did let me go because it'd be nice just to relax. I just feel like I just work, work, work. I'm just always so tired, I wouldn't mind taking a little break, but we'll just see what happens. But what I've noticed about stores is it's more easy to get products. Like, if I need soup or macaroni and cheese, a lot of times it's there. Because now they have limits on that stuff, which is great. People are not hoarding all this stuff. And it's just terrible, guys. It's terrible. A lot of people are not obeying the rules, and they're not being quarantined. I can't quarantine because I have a job that's essential. I work at a car dealership in the repair department, and so that's essential because people need their cars fixed, especially if they have a important job like a nurse or doctor where they need to take care of patients. That's really important. Of course, cashier, people need groceries, they need to survive, so that's essential. Oh. So honestly, I've not been sleeping the best. I go to bed and I can't sleep because I have all these thoughts in my mind. I think what I need to do is before I go to bed, like write in a journal all my thoughts just to get it out of my head. Well, guys, that was amazing. That was actually better than I thought. I didn't expect it to taste that good. I didn't think corned beef would be so good with eggs, potatoes. It was really good. And the red pepper, it's a really good addition. So I was looking at recipes online before I made it, and somebody did add red pepper, and it has like a sweet flavor to it, to the dish. It's really good. I really like it. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this cooking style video, mukbang video. And yeah, see you next video, guys. Peace.